My name's Elaine Toogood. I am Senior Director of Concrete at the Mineral Products Association. And I'm talking now from our stand at Futurebuild in 2025. We come here every year, absolutely delighted to be here to show off some of the innovation, but also progress that the industry is making on its roadmap for decarbonisation. So this year, we have got lots of new publications and guidance produced by the Concrete Centre to help specifiers make the most of all those new low and lower carbon concretes that are being offered by the industry. And that's a really important thing for people to recognise. There is so much more available these days than there has been in recent years. It's out there, we should all be using them. As an architect, it's really important for us to share that messaging for people to understand that they can use low and lower carbon concretes today. Another aspect of the stand that we're showing at Futurebuild today is guidance for structural engineers and architects to understand that they've got a key role to play themselves within the decarbonisation of the concrete that they use through lean design and lean construction techniques. Adding up of sort of incremental savings through those design processes can really add up to quite a significant amount of carbon savings. And so it's really important that we at the Concrete Centre are able to provide the tools and the guidance to enable the design community to get the best out of concrete. Of course, when you're thinking about concrete and how you're using it, it's a really important thing is not just how it's specified and what the concrete is, but the benefits that concrete can bring to a wider community. So from a climate change resilience point of view, concrete is inherently excellent at flood resilience, providing thermal mass for reducing overheating. So using concrete to the best of its ability is hugely important for the way that we need to build today to make sure that we're making a sustainable built environment for the future. And I've got just behind me a little bit of a stand there on housing because the government is launching the most ambitious targets for building new homes within the UK. It's absolutely essential that we make sure that those new homes are quality new homes, that they're both lower carbon and highly efficient. If they're going to be fit for the future, they need to be embedding climate change resilience as part of their design. We've got two key themes as part of our exhibition and display at Futurebuild. One of them, of course, is low carbon concrete. The other one is circular economy. Circular economy is about reducing the amount of material that you need and then reusing what's there. And so we've got lots of guidance about how concrete durability can last for very many years and trying to provide best practice and share best practice about how concrete can be built to facilitate that long service life, enable it to be used for as long as it's able to live and last. And that's really where concrete has a really big potential as part of a circular economy, as well as the innovation of what we eventually do with it. At the end of having lived for maybe 100 years, that crushed concrete can then absorb CO2 from the atmosphere and be used to make lower carbon cement. And that really is an interesting and really exciting prospect we've started to show on site, and there's been some real progress in that recently.